Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW M4. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal. You'll then locate the start/stop button, typically found near the steering wheel or on the center console. A solid press of this button will initiate the ignition sequence, bringing your powerful M4 to life. Your BMW M4 utilizes a convenient keyless start system. Simply ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle, whether in your pocket or a cup holder. There's no need to insert a physical key into an ignition slot. The car detects the fob's presence, allowing the push-button start to function. This modern design streamlines the starting process, getting you on the road faster and with less fuss. With your foot on the brake and the key fob detected, press the start/stop button once. You should hear the engine turn over and ignite smoothly. Once the engine is running, take a moment to observe your dashboard. Ensure all warning lights extinguish, indicating that all systems are operating correctly. If any persistent warning lights appear, consult your owner's manual before driving. Now that your BMW M4 is running, it's time to get moving. First, release the parking brake, which is typically an electronic switch on the center console. Then, select your desired gear, either drive or reverse, using the gear selector. You're all set to enjoy the exhilarating performance of your M4. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.